In today's video, I am going to show you how to properly sort data in Excel while keeping your rows perfectly together. This ensures your data stays matched up correctly and doesn't get scrambled or mixed up during a sort. Step 1. Select the entire data table. To get started, highlight your entire data table, making sure to include your header row at the top. Selecting the whole table instead of just one column is the crucial step that tells Excel to move each row together as a single unit. Step 2. Open the Advanced Sort menu. Next, navigate to the Main menu ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Data tab. From there, find the Sort and Filter group and click the large Sort button to open the Advanced Sorting window. Step 3. Configure your sort settings. In the top right corner of the Sort window, make sure the box for My Data has headers is checked, so Excel doesn't accidentally sort your title row. Now, under the Column drop-down, simply choose the specific column you want to sort by. Select your order and click OK. Conclusion: Excel will instantly reorganize your spreadsheet based on your chosen column, while keeping all related row information safely intact. And that is all there is to it. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy Excel tips.